Good morning. Just woke up at a new destination here called MOYO Island. We just sailed through the night, about like 6 hours. And this is our second full day on a 4-day, 3-night KOMODO Island tour. First of all, it is so beautiful out. Just look at this water. The clarity is something out of this world. You could see straight to the bottom, it's glass. There's our friends on there. Woot woot, woo! How people are waking up this morning.
Morning.
Morning. Breakfast. Look at that, pancakes. This is the best day ever.
We are up on the top of the roof, and activity number 1 is some snorkeling. So Ian's gonna jump off for you here. I will jump off later when I get my mask.
Hello guys, this is what you do at 7 a.m. on the sea. Wow, was that a way to wake up this morning. Now we are headed across the ocean real quick to a waterfall and the beach. We're gonna use our little dinghy. I like saying that.
Dinghy.
Dinghy. This massive group is headed to a waterfall. There's about 5 boats out there, so it's about 100 people. Here's the waterfall. Pretty cool. Looks like there's pools up there. Hey Brian, what's your rating out of 10?
29. No, it's cool.
And head up the waterfall. There's a lot of people up here. So it's actually sticky. The waterfall's sticky, so you can climb up so much easier without shoes on. Oh, they're jumping in. Yay. It's been camp all along.
Ian's gonna jump from this big rock up here. Let's see if he makes it.
2, 1. Woo! Anna's climbing the tree.
1, 2.
Why now you gonna climb?
You're a monkey and a half.
Alright, that waterfall was so much fun.
I'm not mad because I got a standing ovation and he didn't.
People were clapping for her, not me. It's sexist. Here's everyone getting down from the waterfall. We are back to the boat.
Ready?
Now Anna is coming through the window. Get it, Anna, get it.
I'm an egg.
Woo! Oh my, that water was so clear. There's one part I'm gonna show you right now. We saw these plants at the bottom. We didn't know what they were. They were very long, and then we got closer and they all started popping their heads down. They were snakes or eels, I don't know which. Now we're gonna head up and have some fun upstairs. Our crackers after a long swim. One more thing about that snorkel we just went on. When we were down there, we saw all this, it looked like food underneath the water, and we were at the back of the boat. So I was like, I don't know what that is. And then Anna picks up some toilet paper. We thought it was plastic, so she let it go because it was gross. And we look up and you just kind of see logs and things falling. It was poop. Watch out if you're out swimming. Watch out for poop coming from the boat.
Don't poop on the boat while people are swimming.
Yeah, maybe just don't
That's
poop on the
rule.
boat. Unless it was Alex.
I was nowhere near the toilet. I would have been happy to be shitting on it.
Oh! Now we're headed 4 hours to another destination. Have no idea where, but I think at that destination we snorkel and jump off the boat. Here goes a long boat ride. Now it's yum time. We're getting some food out in the middle of the ocean. This is what we have every day. It's like a big thing of rice. Today we got watermelon though. Some soup veggie thing. A lot of tofu too.
Okay, I'm gonna take you on a 30-second boat tour of the boat we're on. You've already seen our bedroom. This is where we eat. Food will be set up here every day. And we usually just sit on the benches here and eat. This is where I fill up my water.
Coffee over there.
The staff provided us with our own water bottles, so we're all saving some plastic. let's go look at the bathroom. This is the kitchen where they'll cook. Our lunch. There's 3 toilets. This is the one with the shower head.
Right there's a bucket for going to the bathroom. And you heard about our poop story earlier. It was from this toilet. So it goes directly into the ocean.
This is where we keep our beer, so it's cold.
That's the good stuff.
That's where the captain is.
That's hammock Ryan.
Hi, world.
Back here is where people sleep, but there's some people sleeping right now.
And this is our strange friend Alex. You don't want to creep up on him. He's a little crazy. He's underneath the solar panels.
Oh yeah. Well, this is the prime spot on the boat, I think.
But this is everything.
This is the best part. We all hang out here at night and during the day and drink beer or jump off.
Just feels like we're on Pirates of the Caribbean right now. Beautiful ocean. That was our boat tour and we hope you enjoyed. Now back to the adventure. We have stopped at our next destination. We're here for only an hour, so we're gonna jump a lot. Ryan's not wasting time. Let's jump off the top.
We get an hour to swim and jump off the boat, and then we have a 16-hour boat ride to I don't even know where at this point.
Komodo,
I never know where we're going. Komodo Islands, I guess.
Here we go.
Nobody.
First up.
Stay where you are.
Oh, you got
really
this.
good at these when I'm drunk.
Get it, Anna.
But when I'm not, they don't go as well.
Two goons up here.
We're goons.
Ready? Set? Go!
Yeah.
We're gonna jump like this. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Because it's fun.
Alright, Anna.
It hasn't been done, I don't know.
Scared of heights, now she's jumping with this. What it's come to.
1, 2, 3!
Woo! Anna can't swim. I never knew this was gonna become a problem on this boat, but someone keeps taking poops when the boat is standing still. It doesn't make any sense, and now everyone's swimming in poop. That area is poop, and there's Brian. Well, now we're on here for 16 hours. Anna, how do you feel about the 16-hour journey?
I'm getting
Komodo
nervous.
Islands?
I'm nervous.
Why?
Just don't know what to do the whole time.
All right, we have just come upon some whales, so here we go. Woo! They look like dolphins. Yeah, the face. Yeah, can we stop and snorkel?
All right, guys, we are playing fishbowl. I'm getting yelled at, but I just want to say the girls have won all the time.
Oh my god. We've only played once.
Alright, let's show them how it's
God.
done. What we're going to see at the next island.
Komodo dragon.
William Shakespeare.
Defoe.
Big ears, Dumbo.
Elephant.
Tango. Will Smith, Barack Obama, Jonas Brothers.
This has been so much fun. It's like camp.
Yeah, it is like camp. Does everyone want to say where they're from real quick?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia?
Where are you
Sorry. False.
Netherlands.
Massachusetts.
Germany. Canada. Quebec.
From Germany.
Denmark.
Denmark.
England. The Netherlands.
Cleveland.
Cleveland.
This is for you.
This is your song.
It has to be one of the best places in the world to see the
Yeah.
stars.
You're saying fashion, I can play my friend.
Can I handle the season of my life?
If you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought. We have a huge day tomorrow. We're about to get to Komodo Island. So stay tuned to the next one. We'll see ya. Yip, yip, yip. Riba, riba.
We got kicked off the roof because the waves are too big. I'm scared.
Woot, woot.